Here are amazing ways to make money with AI. So you're going to be looking at the use of Chatgpt. So go to your browser. It can be Chrome, it can be Google, and search for Chatgpt, okay, which is chat.openai.com. You sign up, then log in. So once you log in, you are going to see this interface. So we are going to be looking at how to make money with ChatGPT. So 1, content generation. 2, copywriting. 3, programming help. 4, tutoring and teaching. 5, consulting. 6, creative support. 7, language translation. 8, customer support. 9, test-based games. 10, academic assistance. So to learn more on how to make money with ChatGPT, get this ebook. You have access to over 300 AI tools. So you can get it on Amazon. You can also get it on Sailor. All right, thank you.